So from last videos, we have these three rules, which is a function multiplied by a constant, and then the sum of two functions, and then the power rule. What we want to use is we want to apply them into the examples. So the first example you see here, let's take each term separately using the second rule here, and let's find their function, their derivative. That here it's gonna be 5, and then 2 will go down, and 2, the power will be subtracted by 1. 3x will be 3, 1 will go down, and the 1 will be subtracted by 1, and a constant derivative is just 0. Now, based on the second rule, we now combine them together. So the first term will be 10x, and then 3, since 1 minus 1 is 0, and x to the 0 is 1. Now, to the second, the same thing, we will apply the second rule here. We will take each derivative separately, and then we'll combine them. Or we can do it together. So this is just using the power rule here. And remember, the derivative of a constant is just 0. We are simplifying, and that should be our answer. Here, C, again, we will apply the second rule, and then we will apply the power rule. So we can rewrite this into 5x to 1/2, and then 10 multiplied by x to the -2, and then a half multiplied to the x minus 1 to y. That's y. So if we take this, we can rewrite 1 over square root of x as this, and then gonna be x to the -1/2. Now we can just move that term in here, and now we are ready to apply the power rule. So the half will go down and gonna be subtracted by 1. And the same thing here, -2 will go down, and -2, the power will be subtracted by 1. And the same thing will apply to the third term. The half, -half will go down, and the -half will be subtracted by 1. Now we just simplify. Now we can also simplify more, or rewrite this function. This is just x to the cube at the bottom.